Wuz Goodie? It's your boy Rhino, aka Hot Dog, and you guys are watching LoveLiveServe. Out here today with Zoe. How you doing, Zoe? Give me a kiss. Can you, maybe not, this is kind of a hard angle to do it at. But you guys read the title already. This video is types of sneezes. Now, we did types of farts a while ago, and I remember people being like, you guys are running out of ideas, blah, blah. And it's like, what? If we ran out of ideas, we wouldn't post a video because there wouldn't be an idea. And then the farts one ended up getting 1,000,000 views. So we just make all types of videos, and we're gonna keep pumping out great stuff. But we've been wanting to do this one, types of sneezes. Do I even need to explain what the video is gonna be about? Zoe, what do you think? What do you think is gonna happen? Oh, don't escape. Are you escaping me? Zoe, come back here. This happens with me, with everybody. What? Zoe, come here. Come back. I have a treat. I got a treat for you. Look. You want it? Come here. Fake their ass out. Look. Oh, nothing. Gotcha. Make sure you guys subscribe if you're new. Follow Noah Boat and I on Instagram. And also, we just dropped our LoveLiveServe socks, so you guys have got to cop those. We're really excited. I'll be wearing them every day. So make sure you guys pick those up. And yeah, let's get straight to it. Types of sneezes. Let's get it.
The guy with the soft ass sneeze.
When you got food in your mouth.
The toot sneeze.
The poop sneeze. The atomic bomb.
The girl with the cute sneeze. The kid in chorus class. When T-Pain sneezes.
And me, I could put you in a mansion. How you sneeze around your crush? Achoo. What's up?
The burp sneeze. When your pet sneezes. The wiper.
When you feel a sneeze coming, but then it dissipates. The disgusting person that doesn't cover their mouth. Oh my god. Oh my god.
When you sneeze and some stuff comes out. Ugh, yeah, y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all know when this happens to you in class and you're just stuck there and it's like, oh shoot, gross. When someone says something to make you not sneeze.
Pineapple. The girl that doesn't like her actual sneeze, so she tries her absolute hardest to have a cute sneeze. The person who doesn't say bless you. Excuse me. What? Did you? Are you not gonna? Oh my god. Oh my god. The single. The double. The triple. The quadruple. The infinity sneeze.
The freeze frame.
I don't even know what this one is.
Not sure what to call this one. The loud for no reason.
What? Why are you looking at me?
The oh hell nah.
Yo, it's good, bro.
Oh hell nah. Oh hell nah.
Yo, what's up?
No.
What's going on?
No.
The person who does the absolute most for no reason.
Oh shit! Achoo! Achoo!
White people. They be doing a dab like this. Black people will make a beat out of anything.
And then she said she didn't get the LoveLiveServe socks. And I was like, okay, yeah, this isn't gonna work. Like, how could you not get the best socks out there right now? Like, that was just crazy to me.
How could you not get the socks? That's like a Mando. What the hell?
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, bless you. Wait a second. Do that again?
Huh?
Like sneeze again.
Okay.
Wait a second. Let me record that real quick. Here, do a sneeze again. Hell yeah! Give me a second. Audio recording. GQ phone.
The person who makes the ugly ass face before they sneeze.
The mute.
The annoyed sneeze.
Achoo. That corny ass person that says gazoon tight. Gazoon tight.
Bro, nobody likes you.
Whatever.
The guy from outer space.
When you don't sneeze.
The throw up sneeze.
The burp sneeze fart, also known as the burp snart.
When you're allergic to ugly.
What the hell was all that? Is this like a joke on me or something? I'm not ugly. Why is that? That's not funny. Stop zooming in on me. Stop. Oh my god. All the time. The disgusting ass person that sneezes into the salad bar. I know y'all seen them before, like a Golden Corral or like Ruby Tuesday. They be sneezing in the salad bar. Oh, disgusting. The blind guy.
Hey, I don't sneeze any different from the rest of y'all.
Look this way. The camera's over here. This way.
Okay, well I can't see. How am I supposed to know?
Okay, well I'm face to your left. Follow my voice.
Your left is different from my left.
Your left. Face the camera.
I can't see,
Your
okay?
left. I'm over here.
I'm blind.
Look, we get that, but you gotta look this way.
Okay, I don't sneeze
Alright,
any different from the rest
to
of
the
y'all.
right a little bit. To the right a little. Oh wait, no, go back. Wait.
I don't
Right there,
sneeze.
wait.
I said I don't sneeze any different from the rest of you
Okay,
guys.
but for the purposes of the skit, it's funny. Okay, now let me put it in focus. All right, now from the top. The deaf guy. Cool. Could you do that again? Could you do that? Oh, my fault. And that's when I told her, what do you mean you don't invest in real estate? Oh shoot, we filming. Oh, it's the outro. Hey, you made it to the end of the video. What's up? Thank you guys for making it to the end of this particular video. We would like to give a huge shout out to the Serve Squad members of the day. In future, if you guys would like to be the Serve Squad member of the day, all you gotta do is follow Nobo and I on Instagram, take a picture in the LoveLiveServe merch, use the hashtag Serve Squad, and just tag both of us. It's that simple. But thank you guys for all your love and support. We have so many great things in store, so just keep watching. Nothing but bangers on the way. Until next time. Bye.
Alright, no worries. That's good, yeah.
Two!
I know how many to do. Hold on. There we go.
Could you do that? Oh, my fault, my fault. Yeah.